This is Supercheap Auto's best performing oils for 2026. Redline Delivery, get more life in your engine, and go. Everyone knows you need motor oil for an engine, but the better the quality the motor oil you put in, the more life you're going to get from your engine. So what better place to tell this story than a car graveyard? And we all know what happens in graveyards, right? Zombies. What a venue. This wreckers yard was ideal and perfect for this year's creative. I can tell you this place is pretty scary when the sun goes down.
As you can see, we're in a very unique environment than what we typically from. We're in a wrecker yard full of wrangled metal, full of mayhem, full of peril. The challenges this year have been more about our safety as a crew. We've had to move a lot of cars. We've had to change the footprint of how the cars laid out. So there's quite a bit of work that's going on with forklifts and diggers, moving cars, stacking them.
We've got the Porsche, which is an MX-5 underneath. Put a 3-inch lift kit in. I bought an ARC rally car, iconic GC8. I remember having one as a remote control car as a kid. I've been fascinated with blue double X's with gold wheels ever since. Got my trophy truck that's been in the last 5 campaigns now. We debuted it at the golf course. We're using Skechers GT40, which is a proper Ford license recreation, so it's built to Ford spec. And then we've got Luke Ayres off-road buggy, V8 powered thing, 600 horsepower.
I'm in charge of making sure that we are all safe on set. We've got about 100 cast and crew walking through this junkyard while we shoot. So making sure that everyone is safe around all of these wrecks is so important.
The good part about a wrecking yard is we can create our own spaces, we can move cars around, and we can create what we need to create to make the stunt work. And we use really good professional drivers. That's the secret. Use people who do what they do. That makes my job easier. We spent 2 days of getting these cars together and crushing them and making like a V for his tyre tracks so he can run down the middle. It's been a process, and hopefully it doesn't rain.
You can't make a commercial of this scale without an obsessive amount of preparation. Because of this, I spend weeks in pre-production building a 3D animated storyboard, a previs. The great thing about the previs is that it serves as a blueprint for the entire production. Pretty much anyone that has involvement on set, they have a visual representation of what we're filming at any given time.
This is one of my favourite times of the year, the Best Performing Oils campaign. It's always ludicrous. Like, it's big and it's stunty and it's like an action movie. It's one of the best things I get to do all year. I love these so much.
We're in this wrecking yard. There's cars doing skids, there's cars doing jumps. We got Al here as well, Turbo Yoda. There's a cast of race car drivers and lots of people that you'll recognise. My role in the storyline is I am a zombie wandering around the wrecking yard, and I stumble across Marty and Moog and end up in the back of their car, and then we all end up zombies and live happily ever after, I reckon.
This year I didn't know what to expect, but I'm dressed up as a zombie, so that was a lot of fun. Got my makeup on, feeling nice and glowy. There's a lot of faces that I know but look very different today, which has made it very special.
I love being part of the BPO. You can see the action behind me. I actually like being in the makeup area. You can see this. This takes a lot of time.
To make this work, we have different levels of zombies. So the A zombies are the most intricate because putting on the prosthetics is quite an intricate process. B, we have another type of prosthetic, but the base of it is glue, essentially. So we can literally just press it onto the skin, it's done. And then for our C, which are more our background guys, that's just a lot of painting, essentially, and then it gets go.
My role in this whole shoot is to look fluffy. It's been absolutely put together. The production stuff's been amazing. Supercheap Auto for organising all this. And the amount of moving parts it takes to put a production like this together is just insane to see as a simple race car driver like myself.
Every year they get more creative. It's hard to top the next year because they're always so good, but somehow it manages to happen.
It is always our absolute favourite shoot of the year. Working with Taxi and with a client like Supercheap Auto lets us bring all of our creative juices together.
Huge thanks to everyone who's involved in this huge project, Taxi Film, Supercheap Auto, the teams at AVC, everyone is just so passionate about what we do. We have so much fun, and I think that really comes through in the final result.
I do want to give a massive shout out to all of our trade partners that make this campaign possible. Henright, Castrol, Newlon, Mobile and Golf Western. And I also shout out to our filter partners K&N and Ryco.
I have to say I'm really impressed seeing what's going on here. The action's fantastic, the way it's prepared, the fun, just saw Crack Lounge, it was hilarious. And gotta say, team, well done. This, I think, is going to be the best one yet.
Yeah, I got.
Oh, you got bit as well. I got bit.
We both got bit.
Who bit you?
You were actually a zombie now. Did you know that?
Am I?
Yeah, did you not know?